For 5 money-saving hacks every busy mom needs to know. Hey there, busy moms! Juggling the responsibilities of family, work, and everything in between can leave you with little time to focus on your finances. But fear not, because I've got you covered with 5 money-saving hacks that are perfect for the on-the-go mom. Whether you're looking to trim your monthly expenses or build up your savings for that rainy day, these tips will help you take control of your finances without adding extra stress to your plate. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into these money-saving secrets. Meal planning and bulk buying. One of the biggest expenses for any family is groceries. Between the endless snacks, meals, and school lunches, it can feel like you're constantly at the supermarket. But fear not, because meal planning and bulk buying are here to save the day. Take some time at the beginning of each week to plan out your meals. Not only does this save you time during hectic weekdays, but it also helps you stick to a budget by only purchasing what you need. Additionally, consider buying items in bulk for those staples that your family goes through quickly, like rice, pasta, or canned goods. Buying in bulk often comes with a lower cost per unit, saving you money in the long run. Embrace DIY and homemade. From household cleaners to birthday decorations, there's a DIY solution for just about everything. By embracing the do-it-yourself mentality, you can save a significant amount of money on everyday expenses. Instead of buying expensive cleaning products, try making your own using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. Not only are homemade cleaners more affordable, but they're also safer for your family and the environment. Plus, getting the kids involved in DIY projects can be a fun and educational way to spend quality time together without breaking the bank. Utilize cashback and rewards programs. In today's digital age, there are countless apps and programs designed to help you save money on your everyday purchases. Take advantage of cashback and rewards programs offered by your favorite retailers and credit cards. Whether it's earning points for every dollar spent or receiving cash back on specific purchases, these programs can add up to significant savings over time. Be sure to do your research and compare different programs to find the ones that offer the best rewards for your spending habits. And don't forget to use coupons and promo codes whenever possible to maximize your savings even further. Cut back on subscriptions and memberships. With so many subscription services and memberships available these days, it's easy to lose track of how much you're spending each month. Take a closer look at your expenses and identify any subscriptions or memberships that you can live without. Whether it's that streaming service you rarely use or the gym membership that's been collecting dust, cutting back on these unnecessary expenses can free up extra cash in your budget. Consider consolidating multiple subscriptions into one family plan or sharing accounts with friends or relatives to save even more money. Set financial goals and stick to them. Last but certainly not least, setting financial goals is essential for any busy mom looking to save money. Whether you're saving for a family vacation, a new car, a home, or your children's college education, having clear goals in mind will help you stay motivated and focused on your financial journey. Start by creating a budget that outlines your monthly income and expenses, then allocate a portion of your income towards your savings goals. Consider automating your savings by setting up recurring transfers or contributions to your savings accounts. And remember, consistency is key. By making small, consistent contributions towards your goals, you'll be amazed at how quickly your savings can grow over time. So there you have it, 5 money-saving hacks that every busy mom needs to know. By implementing these tips into your daily routine, you can take control of your finances and work towards a brighter financial future for you and your family. Remember, it's never too late to start saving money, and every little bit counts. So, whether you're meal planning like a pro or scoring cash back on your everyday purchases, Keep up the good work and watch your savings grow. Thanks for tuning in, busy moms. I hope you found these money-saving hacks helpful and practical for your busy lifestyle. Remember, managing your finances doesn't have to be overwhelming or time-consuming. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can take control of your finances and achieve your savings goals one step at a time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and tricks. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow mom friends who could use some financial inspiration. Until next time, happy saving!